Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best nail file pack is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools in any personal grooming kit, and today we're diving deep into what makes a nail file truly stand out, ensuring your nails achieve that perfect, salon-quality finish right at home, from achieving a smooth edge to preventing snags and breaks, making every manicure a masterpiece. Number 5. HeeYaa 5 Rows 2 Layers Nail File. Achieve salon-quality nails at home with our premium nail file. It's designed for both manicure and pedicure needs. Crafted with a tough PP core and a red finish, this tool is built to last. The double-sided 100-180 grit ensures efficient shaping and smoothing. The black emery board provides a gentle yet effective way to refine your nails. Get the perfect finish without causing damage. Presented in an exquisite craft paper box, this nail file makes a thoughtful gift. It's as beautiful as it is functional. This set includes 10 pieces, arranged in 5 rows and 2 layers for easy access. Keep your essential nail tool organized and ready to use. Whether for personal use or professional services, this nail file is your ultimate solution. Experience the difference quality makes. What we like. This pack offers a robust build with its tough PP core, ensuring longevity. The exquisite craft paper box makes it a great gift option. If you appreciate durability and a touch of elegance in your nail tools, this is a solid choice for both home and professional use. What people say. The nail file pack is a great value for the price. These files are very durable and last a long time. The different grits are perfect for shaping and smoothing nails. Number 4. Makartt 100-180 Grit Nail File Set. Achieve salon-quality nails from the comfort of your home. This set provides the perfect grit for all your nail needs. Each board features a 100-180 grit for versatile filing. Effortlessly shape and smooth your natural or artificial nails. Designed for efficient removal of acrylics and extension gels. Get a flawless finish every time you use them. Crafted for durability, these files are built to last. Enjoy consistent performance with every use. Bring the professional salon experience to your personal manicure routine. This 10-piece set ensures you always have a fresh file on hand. Experience the difference of a truly refined nail surface. They leave your nails feeling smooth and perfectly shaped. What we like. Designed for professionals, these files feature a versatile 100-180 grit for effective shaping and removal. The double-sided nature maximizes utility. If you're working with acrylics or extension gels and need reliable tools for salon or home, these are perfect for achieving a smooth finish. What people say. This nail file pack is a great value for the price. The files are durable and effective for shaping nails. Comes with multiple grits for different nail types. Number 3. TsMADDTs Manicure Tools Kit. Introducing the TsMADDTs Manicure Tools Kit, your all-in-one solution for professional nail care at home. This comprehensive set has everything you need for a perfect manicure. It includes 3 nail files, 2 buffer blocks, and 2 polishing buffers for shaping and smoothing. Achieve salon-quality results with ease. The kit also features a cuticle nipper and pusher, designed for precise and gentle cuticle maintenance. Keep your nails looking neat and tidy. Complete your look with the included cuticle oil, designed to nourish and hydrate your nails and surrounding skin. Enjoy healthier-looking nails. With this kit, you can achieve flawless nails and a polished appearance every time. It's the perfect addition to your beauty routine. What we like. This is more than just files, it's a complete nail care solution. With files, buffers, nippers, and oil, it covers all your manicure needs. If you're looking for an all-in-one kit to achieve salon-quality results at home, this comprehensive set is ideal for a full nail pampering session. What people say. The files are very sturdy and durable. They work great for shaping and smoothing nails. The grit is fine enough for natural nails but strong enough for acrylics. Number 2. MORGLES 13 Pcs Manicure Kit. Introducing the MORGLES 13 Pcs Manicure Kit, your all-in-one solution for beautiful nails. This comprehensive set has everything you need for a perfect manicure at home. Achieve salon-quality results with ease. Our kit includes high-quality nail files, buffer blocks, and essential tools for shaping and smoothing. Experience the benefits of our included milk and honey cuticle oil. It deeply moisturizes and nourishes your cuticles, promoting healthier nail growth. The set also features a precise cuticle trimmer. Easily and safely remove excess cuticles for a clean and polished look. This 13-piece kit is designed for women who love to keep their nails looking their best. It's the perfect gift for yourself or a loved one. Trust MORGLES for all your beauty needs. Our commitment to quality ensures you get the best products for a flawless finish every time. What we like. This extensive kit provides a wide array of tools for a complete manicure experience. It includes specialized items like cuticle oil and trimmers for targeted care. If you desire a luxurious at-home spa treatment with nourishing elements and comprehensive tools, this set is designed for you. What people say. The nail file is made of high-quality materials, ensuring durability and long-lasting use. It features a fine grit that effectively smooths and shapes nails without causing damage. The ergonomic design provides a comfortable grip, making it easy to maneuver and achieve precise results. Number 1. HeeYaa Nail File 12 PCS. Introducing the HeeYaa Nail File Set, your go-to solution for professional nail care. This set includes 12 reusable files designed for optimal performance. Each file features a 100-180 grit double-sided design. This allows for precise shaping and smoothing of your nails, whether natural or artificial. Enjoy the convenience of reusable and washable tools. Simply clean them after each use for long-lasting hygiene and effectiveness. These are ideal for working with poly nail extension gel and acrylic nails. Achieve a salon-quality finish with ease. Whether you're at home or in a salon, these manicure tools provide the quality you need. Elevate your nail artistry with this versatile suit. What we like. Enjoy the convenience of washable and reusable files, offering great value and hygiene. This generous 12-piece set is perfect for frequent use. If you frequently work with poly nail extensions or acrylics and need durable, easy-to-clean tools for both home and salon, this set is an excellent investment. What people say. The nail file pack is a great value for the quantity and quality of files included. These files are durable and effective for shaping and smoothing natural and artificial nails. The different grit levels allow for precise filing and buffing, catering to various nail needs. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.